Hey, what's going on guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about one of the novice options, maybe the most commonly used novice option over here at Elite Edge for something like a pull-up or a chin-up or any vertical rowing exercise, and this is going to be a band pull-down. Now I'm going to teach baseline level of band pull-down. There are going to be a bunch of variations that we use off of this, and you're going to want to use those videos for more information. That could be a single arm band pull-down, that could be a straight arm band pull-down, or any other variations that we might use. But when we perform a band pull-down, I'm going to give you the best coaching cues that you can use with your clients on this exercise. I'm going to start by setting my hands in either a neutral or a pronated position, okay? Really whatever feels best for your clients works perfectly fine, okay? But I'm going to demonstrate for you with my hands in a neutral position, okay? Now if I want to increase tension on the band, and this is going to be one of my coaching cues for you, I can just bring my hands up or I can walk my feet further back to create that tension, okay? A band pull down is going to have them using a bigger band than most other exercises. So my next coaching cue is going to be to have them use bands with a higher tension. Okay, your bigger bands are going to be perfect for your pull downs. Now I'm actually going to set my feet as I walk back into a staggered stance, okay? Reason being, helps me keep my shoulders and my weight distributed back enough to really feel and engage my lats. Oftentimes I'll see folks doing it like this, but if the band tension is high enough, that band's going to pull you forward, okay? Now when I set my feet in a staggered stance, from here, I'm going to take my shoulder blades, I'm going to retract them, and I'm going to do what's called a crescent. I'm going to pull them down, so shoulders are going to be back, chest is going to be up, reaching toward the band. You want to get them in this position before they start their band rows, okay? Now from here, I'm going to perform my pull down, pulling in towards right about the middle of my chest, maybe 3 inches above my belly button, keeping my elbows tucked, squeezing my lats at the bottom, and then bringing them back, right like so. If you have somebody that's really struggling with getting to understand that exercise, my recommendation to you is work on shoulder position, scap retraction, scap depression, have them really work on isolating and feeling their lats, especially their lower lats on this exercise, and have them go lighter with the band tension until they understand which muscles are supposed to be working, and then from there they can advance up and start to train their strength, okay? Anyway guys, use those coaching cues the next time we do band pull downs in one of our workouts.